Alright, so I apologize for audio issues because I'm the dummy who overslept today and I forgot the cord to hook up my wireless mic. So hopefully you guys can hear me okay. But this is it's Sunday, so we didn't hunt. We hunted Friday, which you guys will see earlier in the video. And had a little button bug come out that night. We took yesterday off because Piper and Sophie, my granddaughters, had their birthday party. And we were at the birthday party yesterday, and which was a lot of fun. Everybody's got to make time for the family thing. And, when they come out here today, it just screwed up. Hold on. Let me fix this. Alright, there we are. It just kind of threw me off my game. It doesn't take much anymore. I like to try to plan things out so I don't forget. And I was forgetful before I had cancer. But I would tell you, Taylor and I were talking a little while ago, because he's been through it too. The chemo or something, it does. It makes you forget more often, and makes it. I don't know. We're not just using it as an excuse. It's just myself, I find that I forget things much easier. Ever since going through the chemo, whether that's a side effect, temporary, I don't know. Hopefully it'll go away. I don't need anything else to make things more rough on me when it comes to forgetting things. But I did. I forgot the extra batteries for the camera. All the cameras, all the batteries are at home where I left them, where I wouldn't forget them. And guess what? I forgot them. But we're out here today. It's Sunday and having a great time. It's windy as heck. We've had 30-mile-an-hour wind gusts out here today. Thank goodness Taylor came out a couple weeks ago and we put the plexiglass into the blind, and man, it's these things have made a huge difference. I mean, they're just fantastic. We've got a 40-degree temperature reading with the windshield, so we just turned the Mr. Heater portable buddy thing on, put it on low, and it's toasty in here. You don't hear the wind. I mean, it's fantastic. These plexiglass windows, and he sprayed it with some the spray-on type tint. That's kind of like paint can type thing. Works wonders. I mean, and you don't need nothing real expensive for a hunting blind. It does the job, and it keeps the sun from blinding you, and so it's been great. But it's Sunday, and we've got deer coming out to the field right now. And we got a big doe coming to the field right now. It's a buck, is it? Yeah, we got a little buck come out. Let's see if we can get on him. There's like some, I don't know, I heard something that sounded like another deer over here. I don't know if he sees something that we don't. Big buckabee over here. Alright, so it's still fairly early. We're going to give little Spiky Johnson a pass for now. Now, if it's a little later, that could be different. Stay tuned, we'll find out. Alright guys, something else that I like to show you all that we use because we know it works. And we're only going to show you the stuff that we know works. The scent blender. There's nothing better than to take something from the environment that you're hunting in. Be able to add some clean water, blend it up, and you'll smell just like the area that you hunt. So you're not inviting any foreign odors into your hunting area. It works phenomenal. We always spray our clothes down before we vacuum seal them. And then of course we spray down again when we get out here. But another really good product on the market. Doesn't cost an arm and a leg. And it works phenomenal. Another made in the USA company. And out of Pennsylvania. Super people. I mean, they're just great people. But another one of our partners here on the Dog Pound Outdoors. But like I said, it's like I told them. If I use it and it doesn't work as you advertise it, I won't promote it. Just as simple as that. It works. It's a great cover scent. You can use acorns, you can use corn. Taylor grabbed up some pine needles, and that's what this is right here that we use today is pine. We're surrounded by pines. And you can use anything you want. Soybeans. Works great. Trust me, if you're looking for something that you don't have to worry about a foreign odor that may spook the deer, you're not going to spook the deer when you smell like the environment they live in. So check them out on the web, look them up, tell them you saw it right here on the Dog Pound Outdoors, and I think you guys will be satisfied. I really do. We enjoy it. We love it. So thank you to our friends over at Scent Blender for all you do to help us. And it's time to get back to hunting. But this stuff is great. It helps keep us hidden. So gotta love it.
7 minutes left.
What time is it?
5:10. All done.
Well, that's it for day 2 of our November shotgun or November firearms season. What can you say? I mean, I didn't want to take a chance on shooting a little spike buck when we still had about an hour shooting time left, and my luck, I'd shoot that and there'd be a much bigger buck waiting. Not that I'm trophy hunting. I just like to be able to make sure that I shoot the biggest deer that I can get. You know, we could have killed the 2 yearlings. I don't want to kill a yearling. And then literally 2 minutes after legal shooting time ended, there's 3 other deer that come to the field that are all shooters. And it's just the way it goes. I mean, it's why it's hunting and not killing. And it takes a long time for people to really understand that, because patience, man. You know, you can, of course, we could come out here, we would have been limited out by now if we were the type of people that just wanted to come out and shoot whatever walked. You know, Taylor was out here, he got some meat in the freezer earlier this year. You know, so it's just Tammy and I at home, and you know, it's not such a hurry for me to, yeah, I want to get meat in the freezer, but also don't want to be less selective of the deer that I shoot. I like to give everything a chance as much as I can, and I want to see the deer grow. And managing up the herd, even though it's hard to do where we're at because we're surrounded on all 4 sides by other hunting clubs or other people that hunt on private property. It's all private property. But it's just, you know, we want to build what we can build with what we've got, and we're trying to make the most of it. So, you know, the luck wasn't there tonight, and it's okay. I can live with that. Those deer will live another week at least until I can get back out next weekend, and maybe I'll get another shot. Maybe not, but it's a thrill of the hunt, and that's what really keeps you coming back when you understand hunting. And maybe it comes with age, the years you put time in the field, just something about it that develops over time that you want to just at least be able to harvest the most mature deer that you are given an opportunity to harvest. So that's where we're at. So tonight we're not going home with nothing. You know, I had that spike. I mean, that was a perfect spike. I mean, he's big-bodied. Next year, he may even be a 6-pointer next year, a small 6. He's very healthy. That was a good thing to see. These minerals are working. You know, Forget Genetics Minerals have done an amazing job in just a year that we've been using them, and you can literally see the difference in deer population, the size and health of the herd. So that's a good thing. Want to say thank you to all of our partners who help us out. You know, I'm not going to they're all here in the video, and you can catch all their links to their websites in the description of this video. If you're interested in picking up some new gear, some of the stuff that we use hunting that we know works and I fully endorse. I don't promote anything that I don't use and believe in. So if you want to get yourself some stuff that works, go to the description of the video, follow the links to their website. It'll put you right on. Tell them we sent you from the Dog Pound, and they'll hook you up and take care of you. These are great people that will take care of you like family. Until next weekend, please, you guys have a great week. Be safe out there. I hope you all are smoking some big ones. And I don't mean like the wrong kind of smoking, the big ones, you know what I'm saying? Big brown deer. I don't know how to emphasize that any more clear without being confusion. I hope you guys are freaking having the greatest season that you've ever had. That's the important thing. Spend the time in the field with the people that mean the most to you. And every day of field will be a new adventure and a new memory that you can log up here that will last you a lifetime. I promise you. Put the time in and the effort, and when it all comes together, it makes you feel like you won the Super Bowl. All of us here at the Dog Pound, we love you guys so much. Thank you all for tuning in and staying with us, sticking with us through the thick and the thin, and the good and the bad. We could not do this without you, and I truly mean that. From the bottom of my heart, we love you, and we'll see you next weekend to close out Delaware's November firearm season. See you then.